Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today on Cooking Up Love, we're making slow cooker barbecue beef. This is an easy way to make delicious, super tender smoked brisket or beef roast without having to tend to the smoker all day, and it makes it a wonderful recipe for busy days. And I like to serve these as smoked barbecue beef sandwiches. When they start calling for seconds before finishing their first, you know you've got a winner. Now let's get into this. Here's a quick look at our ingredients, and I've also listed them and the entire recipe in the description box below. I'm using a 3-pound chuck roast for this recipe, and you can also use a brisket. And I'm going to start by trimming up this chuck roast, and I'll take off all the extra hard fat and gristle that no one's going to eat. If you're new to our channel, we'll show you how to make homemade food that's easy and delicious and perfect for sharing with everyone you love. And I'd love to have you join us every week when we share new recipes. Subscribe to find out when we've posted a new one. Okay, now that we've trimmed up this beef, it's time to mix up the dry rub. Measure out 3 tablespoons of smoked paprika, a tablespoon of ground black pepper, a tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, and then give this a good stir to blend it all together. Now we're going to add the dry rub all over the beef, getting all of the surfaces. And I'm using a spoon to dip into the spice mixture so that if there's extra, I can save it for another time. In the bottom of the slow cooker, add a half cup of your favorite barbecue sauce, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and a half teaspoon of liquid smoke. Stir this all up and add the beef on top. Then just put on the cover, set it on low, and let this cook for about 6 to 8 hours until it's tender. I like to serve this as barbecue pulled beef or brisket sandwiches, stacking up the beef on a nice soft bun, topping it off with barbecue sauce, sweet pickles, and some crunchy red onions. It's so delicious, and I hope you give it a try. If you like this recipe, consider sharing our channel with a friend. And here's another recipe I think you'll like. I'll see you in the next video.